Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate screensaver on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you have to open your settings application, and after you have opened the settings, you can go to the display setting. And in this display setting, you need to scroll down until you find the screensaver menu. This one, click on the screensaver menu, and here you will be able to select the type of screensaver you want to apply to your Android mobile phone. You can choose colors, photo table, photo frame, or photos from your Google photo. And I'm going to select the colors screensaver. Okay, and you can read the description right here guys. After you activated the screensaver on your Android mobile phone, you can show a screensaver after the screen turns off automatically while your phone is charging. And I'm going to take a look at the preview. Just click on the preview, and this is the preview of my screensaver. Alright guys, and that's how we can activate screensaver on Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.